The VSI Equine Theriogenology model comes with a replaceable tail. To remove the tail, simply turn in a counterclockwise direction. The reproductive tract comes pre-assembled, consisting of the perineum panel, uterus, ring, and inflatable rectum. Prior to attempting removal of the reproductive tract, it is best to first remove the pelvis model. Simply unscrew the pelvis, and it will then easily lift up and out of the model. Before removing the reproductive tract, ensure the tubing has been removed from the D-ring. Turn the twist locks to a free position, and once the twist locks are out of the way, you will be able to gently pull the reproductive tract out of the model.